Making blur of a photo background is way more easy now in Photoshop. With the integration of machine learning and artificial intelligence, tedious things are getting more easy than ever. Photoshop is not an exception. Let's introduce you to some tools to generate very beautiful DSLR-like portrait photos taken from normal phones. Look at these examples. After 2 minutes of work, this is the result. Isn't it amazing? Let's try this on your own. I'm sure you will love it. So follow these steps with me. Two things is to be noted here. One is you should have a latest version of Photoshop installed in like 2022, 2021 or at least 2020. But remember, newer ones are better. To get the best output, take a photo with 3x zoom or some zoom at least. Here is an example. This photo is taken with my phone with 3x zoom. No matter it's taken with optical zoom lens or digitally zoomed. Then import it to Photoshop. Take 2 copies of the same photo, one on top of another. One is for background, other is for the subject. If you want to do any color adjustments, do it. It's optional and totally up to you. I'm going with the original. Now we have the same picture twice. First select the top layer photo. We are going to remove the background of this layer. In right side, you see the option Convert to Layers. Click there. Then select Yes. Now this is converted to normal layer. Now we will remove the background. Before that, hide the bottom layer by pressing the I button. Now select Remove Background. Within seconds, the background is removed. It works perfectly in 99% cases. This is AI based and new feature was not included before. Without this, you had to mask it manually by using Quick Selection tool, Object Selection tool or by using the Lasso tool. Then there would be no benefit and those are not that accurate as well. See the hairs over here. It could separate the hairs as well. Although the image resolution was not that great, but it worked just fine. Now we are done with the first layer and let's deal with the bottom layer or the background. For this, in the same way select the layer, then notice the right side. There is an option called Select Subject. Now you see the subject is selected. Then select the Selection tool. After right clicking on the selected area, you find an option called Delete and Fill Section, or you can select Content or Fill. Both works just fine. I'm going with Delete and Fill Section. Most of the part is generated perfectly except a little portion in the middle. Though it is not the matter of concern because it will go behind the subject. Now go to the filter from the top. Then go to Blur, select Lens Blur. You can use other options as well. Lens blur works fine for me. I'm going with it. You can adjust the radius. Set it as you prefer. I set it in moderate. After that, you click OK. Now my blurry background is totally ready. Then unhide the subject and all is done. You can export the photo now. The result is here. Background is perfectly blurred, so you can see within a short time we can blur background of a photo quite accurately using Photoshop. In this case, the background was quite complex. Truck, people, road, bike, a lot of things was in the background. But I had to do no manual selection. AI did this automatically for me. So try this on your own if you haven't already. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. If so, thumbs up to this video and a free subscription to this channel would be great. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Ta-da.